Warem.
This video shows you how to set up the hardware components of the PneumatOSim Pneumatic Otoscopy Trainer Upgrade Kit for your OthoSim. Before setting up the PneumatOSim hardware, please install OthoSim v1.3 software onto your computer. Refer to the video segment on how to properly install the OthoSim v1.3 software for more details. Also, your OthoSim base unit needs to be properly set up and connected to a computer before you can use the PneumatOSim. For the setup of the OthoSim base unit, refer to the video on the hardware installation of the OthoSim. Your pneumatic upgrade kit consists of the following components. 1. PneumatOSim sensor box. 2. Pneumatic ear form. 3. A USB cable, Type B. 4. PneumatOSim USB software key. The USB key also contains a PDF of the PneumatOSim product manual. Please note that we no longer provide hard copies of product manuals. If you did not receive all the items shown here, please contact us immediately. Note, the PneumatOSim upgrade kit must be used with an OthoSim base unit and does not function as a standalone device. A pneumatic otoscope with a 5mm pneumatic speculum is required to use the PneumatOSim, but is not included with the PneumatOSim upgrade kit. Simulation-only pneumatic otoscopes are available for purchase. Hardware component assembly setup. For setup of the OthoSim base unit, refer to the video on the hardware installation of the OthoSim. Be sure to attach the pneumatic ear form instead of the adult ear form into the cavity. The retaining ring should be tight to achieve a proper seal. However, be careful not to over-tighten or cross-thread the ring. Once the pneumatic ear form is in place, connect all tubing together. The PneumatOSim sensor box is designed to be used only with the PneumatOSim. After the OthoSim base unit has been connected to your computer, connect the Type B USB cable to the sensor box and then into a second USB port on your computer. The display window of the sensor box will light up and show the OthoSim and PneumatOSim logos. You are now set up to use the PneumatOSim module of the OthoSim software. To open the software, double-click on the OthoSim software icon from your computer desktop. From the main menu of the OthoSim software, select the Pneumatic Otoscopy section and then click on the Pneumatic Otoscopy module. Note, unlike the OthoSim, the PneumatOSim does not have multiplexing capabilities. This is because the sensor unit picks up real-time insufflation pressures a trainee uses during a practice session. Thus, one computer can run only one PneumatOSim at a time. Inspecting and preparing your pneumatic otoscope. Remember that you must provide your own pneumatic otoscope if you have not purchased one separately, as it's not included in the upgrade kit. To ensure your pneumatic otoscope can create a good seal, follow this checklist. 1. Ensure that you are using a high-quality pneumatic otoscope with either a 5mm speculum or special pneumatic speculum supplied by the manufacturer of the scope. 2. Make sure there is minimal to no leak in the otoscopic system that you have chosen to use. Note, when using either OthoSim or PneumatOSim, make sure to completely turn off the light of your otoscope as the OthoSim base unit is backlit. The easiest way to do this is by removing the battery. When not in use, the components of the PneumatOSim kit should be stored in the case provided, as the sensor box and pneumatic ear form are very fragile. This concludes the hardware setup component for the PneumatOSim upgrade kit.